welcome to the new AuthenTech studio. Now this is episode 1, it's always changing, so make sure you stay tuned for episode 2 coming in the future. Now starting on the left, let's go around the room. One theme you should notice, I like it clean, modern, simple, minimal, and above all, affordable. I like budget friendly. Now over here, starting on the left, we'll go clockwise around. I've got my Eero mesh Wi-Fi system that's spread all throughout the house. I've got the Bond, this is a smart controller. I can control all the fans in my house and other things, all with voice control from my phone. Super cool. Now come down here. I've got the Samsung Smartthings Hub. This is for my smart home video. That's going to be coming real soon. Make sure you subscribe. And always, all the links to videos and products will be down in the description. Over here, this is my Reolink NVR. This is recording 24/7 all my security cameras. I made a whole video on that one. Make sure you check it out. Now up here, if you look, I've got these super bright LED bulbs spread throughout in all the can lights. I actually kind of want to make a whole video on it. You could use these in any room of your house to really brighten it up. And they're super affordable on Amazon for like 20 bucks each. Now moving on, this is the Burrow sofa. It's kind of like modular furniture, very comfy and classy looking. This is all my favorite DJI drones, starting with the Phantom 4 Advance Plus. We've got the Mavic Pro, we've got the Spark, and the Mavic Air. This is a cool and helpful tabletop dolly slider. Again, super affordable too, only like 28 bucks on Amazon. These are my favorite go-to action cameras, E4K Plus and Gopro Hero 6. This is my go-to daily driver. You just can't beat that EIS. And we can't miss this. This is the AuthenTech silver play button. Huge thanks to all of you guys. This was our 100K. We're already at 161 plus. Super amazing and humbled. Thank you all so much for hitting that subscribe button. It means a lot. Now in this corner, you'll notice the custom AuthenTech coffee mug and my shirts, which big news, we've officially launched the merch store. Now the link is here, shop.authen.tech. Link down below. We've got this, we've got all the t-shirts that I wear, nice tri-blend, super comfy and affordable. This is the Lumetric Time. I did a whole video on it. Has my live YouTube subscriber count. And this is another Burrow armchair, nice low arm, super comfy. This was a custom YouTube play button pillow I made, canvaschamp.com. This is a nice Aki rubber neck adjustable LED lamp, dimmer, power switch, really nice in the evening, soft glow. Now this is the table that I shoot all my videos behind, a simple IKEA table, super cheap. This is a nice armchair, comfortable, sit in it. Again, Amazon, 85 bucks. This is my shooting corner. I just cleaned it up and it looks way better. Here's a before and after pic. All my studio LED lights are voice controlled. I just say, okay Google, activate studio on. I'm controlling those with the simple Belkin Wemo switches. Now this is my B-roll tripod, nice man Frodo. I've got fluid drag head on here for smooth pans and tilts. My B-roll camera is the Sony RX100 Mark V. I did a whole video on it. It shoots beautiful shots. I also have a newer magic arm and a simple cell phone clamp for quick and fast B-roll shots. This is my iPad teleprompter, simple and easy. Sometimes I script it, sometimes it's bullet pointed, but I just control it with this little Bluetooth remote. Now my main A-roll camera is the Sony FDR AX100. I've been using this thing for over 3 years, almost every day. I love it. Shoots beautiful shots. Lots of customization and manual controls. I've thought about doing a full video on it for a few years now. Let me know down in the comments if you'd be interested in seeing that. When I first bought it, it was around 2 grand, but over the years its price dropped to really affordable. This is my man Frodo Be-Free. It's a lightweight and portable tripod if I ever need something, take it on the go. Now follow this 3.5mm audio cable. Extended out is my Rode Videomic shotgun mic. It works great on or off camera. These are newer C-stands, full metal, heavy duty. They're holding all my lights. Again, actually very budget friendly, only $130 each. I have 2 of them, and it also comes with the arm and 2 grip heads. They're heavy duty and they extend up to 10 feet. Now up top are all my LED flex panels. My favorite are these Falcon Eyes FT18. They're flex mat, lightweight, portable, easy to mount. You can adjust brightness. They're waterproof, rollable, just super great LED panels. And again, budget friendly. Only $245 each on Amazon, or even cheaper on eBay sometimes. They're just slow boat shipping from China. I got 2 of them for about $170 each. Very sweet deal. The other 2 LED panels down here is the Westcott 1x1. It's very bright and nice, pure, clean white LEDs, but they're crazy expensive. I don't know if I'd recommend it. And then up top is the Fawzitan 1x2. It's a bit cheaper than the Falcon Eyes, about $150 on Prime, but it's just a bit smaller and not as bright, but still not a bad deal. Moving on to the main control center. This is where I spend almost all my time. This is a sweet Nitro Concepts gaming chair that was sent to me. It's comfortable, it's cool looking, lots of color options, and it can do this. That's pretty sweet. This is a clean, white, simple IKEA desktop, and this is the heartbeat of everything AuthenTech. It's my Lacey 20 terabyte Thunderbolt external hard drive. She carries all the videos. Over here's one of my Seagate 8 terabyte external backups. It's my 3rd one. They're super cheap, about $160 I think. It's USB 3, a little bit slower, but still a great external. Now this is my iMac 5K. Again, I've had it for a couple of years, but she's still doing well. The 5K display is gorgeous, and I can still crank through my 4K video edits in Final Cut Pro like a breeze. Underneath is a subtle little sound bar. Actually does a pretty nice job. This one was sent to me, priced $55. There's multiple line-in connections, including Bluetooth. It's good for TV or a computer sound bar, and it fits perfect under the iMac. This is a super helpful 3 USB plus micro SD and SD card slot hub for transferring footage over. This little guy is a lifesaver. I use it every day. Also helpful, this little guy is a $20 USB sound adapter for voiceover recording. Now this baby is the BenQ design monitor. They sent it to me and it's beautiful. It's 32-inch 4K UHD. It's the PD3200U, a premium 32-inch monitor. It comes with a KVM switch, 4 millisecond response time, and 60 Hz refresh rate. It has fantastic high quality design. It's well built, heavy duty, has a great range for height, tilt, and even rotatable for vertical orientation. It's not cheap, but man, it is premium. Very nice monitor. Now moving onward towards the end, this is the Besta IKEA TV stand. Now you can custom design it on their website. It's fun choosing which color panels go where. You can do sliders, you can do drawers, all sorts of stuff. Now I do have to suggest, don't order it on their website. Shipping costs a ton, and it took over a month to get here. It was delayed, lots of issues. If you're gonna do IKEA, go in store. Now this is the Vizio 4K TV I reviewed way long ago. I did have that TCL 4K HDR 65-inch TV in here, but we liked it so much we brought it out into the living room so we could enjoy it throughout the day. Yeah. For a quick little sneak peek, this is just a little equipment closet. I like to keep it semi-organized. I love these dollar store bins, labeled, everything. And in here, well, I can't really show you. It's all my active projects on sticky notes. And that's about it. Welcome to the AuthenTech studio. Thanks for joining me. Now out in the garage is where I have my workbench, all my old scooters and other gadgets. Let me know if you'd ever want to see a sneak peek out there in another video. If you have any other questions or comments, leave me a comment, and all the links are down below to all the videos and products. Now thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and ring the bell if you haven't already. And until next time, let's live AuthenTech.